The Borno State Governor Babagana Zulum has flagged off the construction of 3 road projects in Maiduguri. During the ceremony, Governor Zulum said that the projects are to decongest traffic and expand development in the metropolis. The 3 road projects will link Shehu Umar Garbai and Bursari Road from the Shehu roundabout down to Baga Road and other parts of the capital. He charged the contractor to complete the construction within 9 months.
In fulfillment of our electioneering campaign promises to ensure urban renewal in some cities in Borno State, today we are flagging up the dualization of Shehu Umar Garbai Bursari Road from Shehu roundabout to Songhai to link Baga Road at State Mechanical Workshop, Shehu Sambakora from Monday Market roundabout to Copper View, through the roundabout and Sultan Maiduguri Road. That means from Idrissa Kadi Junction to Sakashim, the Way through the roundabout via State Psychiatric Hospital. The contract sum for the dualization of this road is about 11 billion naira. And Borno State government has paid 50% of this money.
When that to show the way I saw more than the concession is due, it has been taken up with SNS. And there's also going to be a covered drainage outside of the road, along with the road.